My name is Ron Torculas. I'm from Mount Laurel, New Jersey, and I'm a civil engineering major with a mechanical engineering minor here at Rowan University. So this award means a lot to me, and I'm very honored to receive it because it really means that someone in the department is watching all the time and effort that I was putting not only in my academics here in the department, but also how I represented the department outside of the classroom. So it really means the world to me. I really wanted to highlight Dr. Yusuf Mehta and Caitlin Purdy and their team over at Creates. They took me in as an undergraduate research fellow back in 2021 when internships were few and far between, and I learned a lot with the Creates team, not only research-wise through my research with construction materials, but also just learning about the program, learning what I need to look out for and study.
So Ron's been working here for a couple of years. His position here is an undergraduate research fellow. He's part of our fellowship program, which is an industry-funded program. So Ron has been working with us on a couple of research projects. He works on our fee-for-service program, which involves local industry looking to do research on new additives or new designs for pavement. A big one we get pretty frequently that Ron has worked a lot on is high recycled content design. So a lot of local industry is interested in increasing the recycled content of their pavement designs. So before they send those to the state for approval, they want to make sure that their performance meets the state standards. So Ron does a lot of that testing for us. So Ron has been a huge help here in terms of supporting our projects. Our projects are all sponsored. They have very tight deadlines, and we have predominantly master's and PhD students working on them, managing them. But a lot of the bulk of the work of those happens in the lab, and Ron has been really important for us in terms of keeping those projects moving. He's been here for a couple years with us, so he's trained on a lot of our equipment that some of our newer students might not be. So when we get new students, he kind of helps us with the onboarding, with the training. Anytime there is kind of like a bottleneck in our testing for any projects, we know we can always rely on Ron to help us out with those because he's had so many years of experience with it and he's familiar and comfortable running all of those tests. Thanks Ron for selecting me as your mentor for this award. Congratulations, of course. Good luck in the future, though I doubt you need it. I'm sure you've already got something great lined up, but we've been really happy to have you here at Creates.
Instead of a specific memory, I actually wanted to highlight a specific feeling. Especially during junior and senior year, me cramming with my friends for either a big exam or a big project and then celebrating afterwards, either going out to either going out to eat or going to a bar or something. Just that feeling of relief after completing something so hard is something that I'm gonna remember for the rest of my life. I'm going to be working for the Department of Defense with NAVSE over at the Philadelphia Navy Yard. Obviously, I don't know what the future holds, but I know that I also do want to at some point get a master's degree in the near future. I wanted to thank my family, my mom, my dad, my brother. Specifically, I wanted to thank my sister, Maria Torculas. She graduated back in 2016 as an electrical engineer, and she in particular gave me a lot of guidance that I needed to get through Rowan. I also wanted to thank the Creates team, so Dr. Yusuf Mehta, Caitlin Purdy, Kaylee McDevitt. They were a big part of my experience here at Rowan doing research for them. They provided me not only a job, but also a way to kind of get acclimated to the civil engineering department.